Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be taking you shopping with me at Target. We're going to be looking at all of the furniture and decor finds for summer. Lots of favorites from Studio McGee, Hearth and Hand. Lots of items that I've been eyeing for a while and want to share how I would style them in my home. And also lots of items that I actually currently have in my home and I can share you how I style them. So let's go ahead, go to Target and get right into it. So we're going to get started in my absolute favorite section, Studio McGee. I wanted to check out all of the new furniture and decor for summer. Starting off with these console tables that I found that both retail for $200. I think this one would look perfect in kind of an art deco type of space, or even in an entryway for a super modern home. And then this console table would be perfect for a modern organic or transitional space for an entryway or styled behind a couch. I found a few different really unique accent chairs. I love this one that retails for $280. It really reminds me of accent chairs that they have at Serena and Lily that can cost up to like $1,000. I think this is a great price point for even a patio, a sunroom, any room that just gets a lot of light. And it's not a rocking chair, but something about it just reminds me of a nursery. I think it would look good in a nursery too. I also saw this wood frame accent chair for $275. This is perfect for a mid-century look. I also love the back of the chair. It kind of fits into more of like a transitional style as well, kind of bringing the outdoors in. And then I know that these Linwood cubes have been around for a while from Studio McGee. They retail for $100, but I just keep getting drawn to them because they are so versatile. They come in a ton of different fabrics and they are great ottomans for basically any room. They also have this longer version that you can use as a bed bench or even as a coffee table with a few trays on it. I also love this wooden bench. It retails for $180. This would be an awesome bed bench or under a windowsill with some throw pillows on it for an entryway, for a mudroom. I think that this bench would be super versatile. And also, if you're looking for affordable artwork, Studio McGee has a ton of neutral pieces like this framed print for $70. Getting into some of their decor pieces, we have this neutral piece for $30. This would be great for a shelf, a coffee table, and I always find similar objects like this at Crate & Barrel CB2 for at least double the price. I also found a ton of baskets in just about every size, shape, color, starting off with this tray. This one retails for $30 and it would be perfect as a coffee table centerpiece. They had so many different styles and sizes of baskets. These are great just to hide anything that you want out of the way, for blankets, and I especially like to have baskets out in my living spaces for dog toys, especially if I don't want them to be seen. These are a great way to keep them a bit more hidden. If you want to update your patio decor for summer, they also have a ton of great lantern options like these gold ones, and also these woven ones are perfect for a more boho or beachy vibe. They also have a lot of really great affordable faux greenery for summer. Each of these stems is only $5. You would just need a few to fill a vase. I love the addition of citrus for summertime as well. I think that's so beautiful for a decorative space and it makes it a little bit different. And if you like the idea of decorating with citrus for summer, Target has a few different wreaths that have faux oranges and faux lemons for around $30. Next, I found some vases that would look great styled together in like a cluster of 3 of different sizes with different stems or greenery in them. All of these are between $20 and $30. I feel like they're a blank enough slate that you can kind of decorate them however you want year round or just leave them on their own. So moving into some throw pillows, all of these really reminded me of the coastal grandmother trend. I love this trend for summer. It just gives me a very beachy but classic vibe. I was really debating getting a few of these beige throw pillows. I might actually place an order on them because they feel super high end and they actually remind me of a lot of some different throw pillows they have right now at Pottery Barn. And then moving into a few more vases, I actually have both of these right now in my home. Highly recommend them. They're gorgeous centerpieces. I also have one on a shelf display as well. And then this vase was a little bit more new to me, and it has some olive branches in it too. It retails for $30. I love the texture of the vase. It definitely looks a lot more high end, and it's a really great value. One of my favorite finds was this wicker lamp. These would be great on a nightstand or an accent table. I also love the look of having a small lamp on a kitchen countertop. I've been seeing that around a lot lately, and this also kind of plays into that coastal vibe. I was also super impressed with the amount of faux plants Target has right now for summer. All of these plants already come in planters and they look super realistic. I'll share some of my favorites below. I especially liked some of these different ficus plants. I also made my way to the hearth and hand section, and this section has so many great options for summer tablescapes. All of these are super affordable plasticware, but they have so many different options and they look basically like ceramic plates. So if you are doing like a picnic or you're hosting a party where you want some more affordable dishware for summer, I love the look of all of these. You can also mix and match a lot of these different pieces with all of the different colors and placemats and utensils, just to add a little bit more personality to your summer tablescape. And if you're looking for more permanent place settings, they have a ton of ceramic plates. I love all of these. They remind me of plates that I've seen at Crate and Barrel. I like this shape a lot. They come in a few different colors, and I also love all of these kitchen accessories that are wooden. I love the look of these combined. It gives it a very organic look. But those are all of my current favorite home finds from Target. I'll have all these items listed below. Let me know which ones were your favorites in the comments as well, and stay tuned for some more shop with me videos very soon, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video. Bye.